Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Easy Up parts is probably one of the most essential accessories for outdoor events, offering shelter and convenience. But what happens when a part breaks or gets damaged? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Easy Up replacement parts, helping you find the perfect components to keep your canopy in top shape, ensuring your events go off without a hitch. Let's explore the best options to keep your Easy Up ready for action. Number 5. Easy Up Ambassador 10-foot by 10-foot Pop-Up Canopy. This canopy offers a generous 100 square feet of shade, perfect for any outdoor event. Its straight-leg design maximizes the shaded area, providing ample space for your activities. Enjoy increased headroom with the clear span ceiling design. This unique feature eliminates crossbars, providing a spacious interior. The Ambassador offers a high peak and balance clearance. Setting up this canopy is incredibly easy and requires no tools. Simply take it out of the bag, pull it open, and extend the legs. Taking it down is just as simple, and it folds compactly for storage. Customize the height to suit your needs with 2 different settings. You can choose the height that best fits your requirements. The wheels are included inside the master carton box. This canopy is designed with safety in mind, meeting fire-resistant standards and providing 99% UV protection. It ensures a safe and comfortable environment for you and your guests. Easy Up stands behind its products with a 1-year warranty. This warranty covers normal wear and tear on all replacement parts and the canopy itself, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This canopy offers maximum headroom, providing a spacious and comfortable experience. Its quick setup makes it incredibly convenient. If you are looking for a canopy that combines ease of use with ample space and sun protection, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The frame is solid and well constructed, and the canopy fabric feels durable enough to stand up to sun and light rain. Setup is straightforward, and the pop-up design makes it possible to assemble and take down without much hassle. This canopy opens and the top is instantly supported with struts from the top of the 4 legs. There is no center pole holding up the peak. The pull rings and the height adjustment clips are set up well so you should not pinch your fingers. The frame mechanism is greatly improved and no fingers were pinched during setup or takedown. 2 of us easily set it up and took it down. With the old one, if 2 people tried to do that, there would be a lot of saying, "Wait while I move to the other corner." No, don't pull it yet. Ouch, you just pinched me. The rolling bag is sturdy and the wheels are large so it is easy to pull along. The canopy is heavy to lift so the rolling bag is needed. I also bought a sidewall and it has a little storage bag which fits inside the roller bag. I bought white. I wanted blue but the Ambassador does not come in that color. I like that it is true 10 feet by 10 feet with straight vertical legs. Be sure to get the sidewall to increase the shade as the canopy sits up high. It is tall with only 2 height adjustments, high and higher. The fabric is substantial and it is reinforced in the corners. Number 4. Caravan Canopy TitanShade 10-foot by 10-foot Instant Canopy. This portable canopy is your reliable partner for various outdoor events. It provides shelter and convenience, perfect for enhancing your outdoor experiences. The canopy features a heavy-duty polyester top. It acts as a strong shield against rain, sun, and wind, ensuring comfort and protection during your outdoor activities. It has a full truss system designed for stability and durability. Plus, it includes a patented pull-pin system, making setup quick and easy. The canopy offers 100 square feet of shade, providing a spacious retreat. Its straight-leg design maximizes usable space, giving you plenty of room. Setting up and taking down this canopy is simple due to its innovative design. It comes with a 600D polyester roller bag and a stake kit, making transport and storage convenient. What we like. This canopy features a heavy-duty polyester top, ensuring robust protection against the elements. The full truss system enhances stability and durability. If you need a reliable and easy-to-assemble canopy for various outdoor activities, this one is designed for your needs. What people say. This tent is easier to set up than the last one. The steel frame is better, way smoother to slide up. No metal screeching, the pins that engage on the legs are so much smoother and lock in better. The pointed top gives a way roomier feel and better air flow when standing under it. It fits perfectly snug around the frame and it handles windy weather no problem. It's raining today and the area under it is dry. When severe high winds or weather is forecasted, it will be simple to lower the legs and secure the top. We actually tried it out as a test run. We also love that it is exactly 10 by 10. The legs are straight. Not like the Easy UPS, that give you more like 8.5 by 8.5 coverage. We had it on our deck and have screwed the feet down, 2 holes each leg plate already drilled. Number 3. Ontheway 10-foot by 10-foot pop-up canopy replacement top. This is the replacement canopy top from Ontheway. It's designed to fit most standard 10 by 10 pop-up canopy frames. Please note that this product only includes the canopy top cover, the frame is not included. The canopy top is made with upgraded 300D extra thick material. It provides 100% waterproof and UV protection. This ensures that it's durable and can protect you from the sun and rain. It's suitable for 10 by 10 pop-up canopies and most standard canopy frames with 4 straight foot legs. Make sure it fits your frame before purchasing, so it can be used perfectly. The design includes Velcro along the underside for easy attachment of sidewalls. Metal D-rings on the corners make it easy to fix a guy rope. It is very easy to install. This product comes with a bonus 4-pack of canopy weight bags. These bags help to secure the canopy, providing extra stability in windy conditions. It is a very useful bonus. You can search B09HC5PVQN to pair with the sidewalls. It will provide more protection from the sun, wind, and rain. This will make the canopy more useful. What we like. This replacement canopy top is made with upgraded 300D material, offering superior durability and waterproof protection. It also includes bonus weight bags for added stability. If you have an existing frame and need a durable, waterproof top with added convenience, consider it. What people say. Fit my easy up frame perfectly. Love the Velcro and the extra sock where the tent pole goes in. Fit perfectly and is working as expected. Number 2. UP Canopy 10 by 10 pop-up canopy replacement top. This is a replacement canopy top from UP Canopy. It's designed for pop-up canopy tents, offering a simple way to refresh your shelter. This canopy top is made of 500D extra thick material. It's more durable than most canopy tops on the market, ensuring it lasts. The canopy provides 100% waterproof protection and UV protection. It shields you from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This top is specifically designed to fit 10 by 10 pop-up canopies. It easily attaches along the underside of the canopy, allowing for walls to be added. It comes with a bonus of 4 weight bags. Plus, it's backed by a 6-month quality guarantee, offering peace of mind. What we like. This canopy top is made with 500D extra thick material, offering enhanced durability and UV protection. It also comes with a 6-month quality guarantee. If you prioritize long-lasting quality and sun protection, you should consider this one. What people say. The tent fit perfectly, great quality, very happy I purchased. This week I put this replacement top on my Easy Up frame, and it really fits very well, better than the original, perhaps. Perfect replacement for an Easy Up 10 by 10 frame. Number 1. Easy Up Envoy 10-foot by 10-foot pop-up tent. This lightweight shelter offers instant protection from the sun. It's perfect for the beach, sporting events, or any outdoor activity where you need shade. The improved toggle leg adjustment is designed to be pinch-free and easy to use. It offers 2 height settings, allowing you to customize it to your needs. A heavy-duty roller bag with easy glide wheels is included. It features a heavy-duty zipper and multiple handles for easy transport and lifting. The clearspan ceiling provides increased headroom. The unique interior frame design eliminates crossbars, maximizing the usable space inside. Setting up is quick and easy with the large pull-pin ring. The folding steel frame has no loose parts, and no tools are required for setup or breakdown. The improved fabric is UV-coated to block 99% of the sun's harmful rays. It is also fire-resistant, treated to meet fire code standards. This portable canopy is perfect for shade on sunny days. It's great for markets, picnics, and outdoor gatherings. The fabric is water-resistant, suitable for light moisture. What we like. This lightweight and portable canopy is perfect for fair weather use, offering shade on sunny days. It features 2 height settings and is easy to set up and break down. If you like a canopy that's easy to transport and quick to set up for recreational activities, it is the ideal choice. What people say. The newer design makes it easier to put up and take down. I'm able to set it up and take it down myself, something I couldn't do with my old sun shelter. Easy putting up and taking down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.